All right, Fruitopians, imagine this. It's blazing hot, you're melting into a human puddle, and then, bam! Out of nowhere, a giant watermelon falls from the sky like nature just slammed the refresh button. You grab it, crack it open, and sink your teeth into a cold, juicy slice. Instant chill. Instant bliss. Instant, where have you been all my life moment. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this massive, juicy, green beach ball of happiness became the icon of summer? Hold on tight, we're about to slice into the story of the watermelon. First off, this isn't just your average picnic guest. Oh no, this fruit has been living its best life for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians even painted these bad boys in their tombs. Yeah, they loved watermelon so much they wanted to take it to the afterlife. That's dedication. From there, watermelons traveled the globe, showing up in Chinese New Year celebrations as a symbol of good luck and eventually becoming the star of every summer barbecue right here at home. Crazy how one fruit can be loved in so many different ways around the world, right? And speaking of different, get ready for a watermelon rainbow. There's more out there than just red and juicy. You've got sunny yellow ones that taste extra sweet, mini watermelons that are perfect for solo snackers, or not so solo, no judgment. And of course, the ever-handy seedless kind that let you enjoy without the spitfest. Seriously, it's like a full-on watermelon party, and everyone's invited. Okay, so they taste amazing. But what's the deal with the health stuff? Well, listen up. Watermelon is basically a hydration superhero, made up of over 90% water. It's your best friend on a hot day. That deep red color? That's lycopene, a heart-loving antioxidant. Plus, you're getting vitamin A for your eyes and vitamin C for your immune system. So yeah, you're not just cooling off, you're doing your body a solid. Now, let's whip up something awesome, a refreshing watermelon and mint cooler. Here's what you'll need. A couple cups of cubed watermelon, seedless, sauce easy win, a handful of fresh mint leaves, yep, the leafy kind, not mint candy, juice of half a lime, a little honey or agave syrup if you like it sweet, and some ice. Throw it all in a blender, give it a whirl until smooth, pour it over ice, maybe top it with a mint leaf, and bam! Instant refreshment. Trust me, the mint gives it a cool little kick. So simple, so good. Here's a fun one to drop at your next picnic. Watermelon is actually both a fruit and a veggie. Wild, right? It's a fruit because it grows from a flower, is sweet, and has seeds. But it's also in the same plant family as cucumbers and pumpkins, which makes it a veggie too. So the next time you're chomping down, you can proudly say you're eating healthy. Twice. So there you have it, Fruitopians. Watermelon. A world traveler, a color explosion, a hydration hero, and a surprisingly sneaky veggie fruit combo. What's your favorite way to enjoy watermelon? Drop it in the comments. And if you had fun with this juicy little adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Fruitopia fam for more fruity fun. Catch you in the next video.